You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this dish, a French dessert, sort of a tart. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary from French cuisine, stay tuned. I've got more videos of French for you that you can listen to. Flaugnarde is the French pronunciation here. Flaugnarde. Flaugnarde. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can simply say it as Flaugnarde. Flaugnarde. Flaugnarde, or how to pronounce in French, Flaugnarde. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.